This video will show you how to use the FlexLink iOS version of the Zones function. So by going into Zones, we are brought into the Zone Select menu. Here at the bottom left-hand corner we have Add New Zone. I'll select that to start creating a new zone. I will call this Demo Zone Number 1. Then hit Save. Here we have created a new zone. Our next step will be to add lights. So by selecting Demo Zone 1, we'll be brought into that zone's menu. We have a list of options down at the bottom. We have Add Light. Here I will then add lights in the lower left. Select Demo 1. That'll put a check mark to the right of that light. And you also have options down on the bottom for check all and uncheck all. I can hit check all or uncheck all, or I can select each light individually. Once you are done selecting your lights, you can hit done in the upper right. Now that you have added your lights, you can now configure what time they turn on and turn off. So here, using the timer settings, we can now configure the on time, off time, or disable the timers. Here I will configure the on time. The timer control, the lights are set to using Astro as their default. Astro is reference to the astronomical timer, so that the lights will turn on and turn off at sunset. If you wish to override this, you can swipe the button from left to right to use override, and then you can specify a specific time for the lights to come on. Let's make this 7:30, and then I can hit done, and we can see time on is at 7:30. Now I wish to edit time off, so I can hit timer, off time. Now this is set to use Astro. I'll set it to a specific time by overriding it, and I will make it turn off at 7:30 in the morning. Now I can hit done, and we can see that the time on is at 7:30 p.m. and the time off is at 7:30 a.m. If you wish to send this code to the lights, you will want to ensure that you are connected to your Bluetooth device. And then you can hit Send Timer. We can see that to the right side of Demo 1 light, there is a loading circle. This indicates that the message is being sent to light number Demo 1, and it is currently processing the codes. Once you have received the code, the light will begin to flash, and it'll indicate that it is complete by putting a blue check mark to the right of the name of the light. If you wish to edit zones, in the lower right there is a button for edit, and this will allow you to remove any lights out of the database. You can select the minus symbol, then hit delete. If you wish to delete zones, you can hit edit in the top right. Then you have the minus symbol, and then you can hit delete. If you wish to disable timers for your zone, you can go into that zone menu, hit timer, and then hit disable timers. This will automatically disable the timers for your lights.